Adnan bhai, I want you to take a guess that how much money roughly Mirza Ghulam Qadiani would have collected in his lifetime. Any rough idea?
No idea, Imtiaz bhai, no idea. I know that the cult is today a billionaire cult. They have bank accounts in Panama, and there is a lot going on there. I mean, this is documented. This is not, and they haven't denied it. They're saying, well, there's nothing illegal about having bank accounts in Panama.
Bhai, inshallah, I'm going to put on the screen, but just in case, if you have to make any wild guess, no problem. What would you take?
In the 19th century, I would say 50,000 rupees would be a lot of money. It would be like crazy amount of money, 50,000 rupees.
Adnan bhai, if this is your response, then please, today I'm going to definitely be successful to give you a good surprise. Are
My
you
God.
ready, Adnan bhai?
Yes, go ahead. I can't wait.
And the book name is Nuzul Masih, which is in volume 18th of the Ruhani Khazain. Mirza Ghulam Qadiani says that when my father was alive, nobody even knew about me. After my father passed away, the way God supported me, it was beyond imagination for anyone. He said Allah became my helper from every angle. And then comes the actual part. He says that in the time of my father, which means he's talking about 1874-76, he said I was only worried about my own bread and butter. He said, but now I have the langar, people are being fed from my kitchen. And then he said, go and check the post office. Yeah, that how much money I have received, quote unquote, by Allah's, grace. Mirza says it's not less than 1 million rupees in my estimation. Then he says, is it not a miracle? So Adnan bhai, in 1902, Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is telling us that roughly I have received around 1 million rupees.
Wow, that's actually quite shocking. Now you have succeeded, Imtiaz bhai, in giving me a shock. I'll tell you why. Okay, I thought Mirza's teachings, none of those teachings could shock me because you could expect anything from Mirza. Okay, but this is truly shocking. 1 million rupees in the late 19th century or early 20th century, let's say 1900. That's a lot of money.